What's going on YouTube? Christian with Full Blown Performance. To give back to our supporters, we are doing a giveaway and this is what we're giving away. Alright guys, so we're giving away the IGLA anti-theft system. We'll install it here at our shop. If you are not local to us, we'll go ahead and send you a Full Blown Performance care package, and here's how to enter. All you got to do to enter the giveaway is go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram and comment on the giveaway post. And follow us on TikTok, and if you want additional entries or a better chance to win this giveaway, go ahead and comment down below your dream build. This is our way of giving back to our followers, to our supporters. We appreciate all the love you guys have shown us, and we wish you guys good luck on the giveaway.
What's up YouTube? We back here with another video, Full Blown Performance, house of the faster mopeds in California. We already put the motor, the blower, everything. Just right now I'm charging the chiller, making sure the coolant system for the supercharger it doesn't have no air, because right now I got like a kind of hard time with the chiller. It's normal, because to bleed it, it's a process, you know, like it's a lot of air bug in the system, so it take time. But I almost got it. After I finish this, we're gonna put it on the dyno to break the motor, and then we're gonna do a couple pulls, real horsepower, and then tomorrow we're gonna be our air window, and I hope everything comes good.
Outside, what? 1200 right now. Not bad, huh? Sounds good.
Sounds amazing without the intake.
Right? Is it whining loud as shit?
Super loud. Sounds good though.
Yeah, so right now, we're breaking in the engine on the dyno. What we call steps is 1500 to 3000 RPM, all the way every single gear, just to make sure the filling's coming in right. And then we do a mid-throttle hit, just to kind of seat the rings and all that. Hopefully everything so far is checking out. There's no knock or nothing. All the fuel trims are coming into play. Hopefully we get to do a full hit in the next, maybe two more revisions, do a full throttle hit, and then see what she does, and then from there go straight to the track.
It's overheated as far as the blower. Apparently, we fixed the small leak that had on the reservoir tank, so we got that taken care of, but it's still overheating for some reason. So we're gonna backtrack. We're gonna have to trace some of the previous work that was done to it, and try to pinpoint the issue. Trying to go based off the routing of the coolant lines, and then try to figure out the wiring as well. So that's where we're at right now with this one. I was just telling my boy Sway right now, because he was asking me about, what's the most common problem with this 4.5 blower. And to be straight up with you, there really isn't nothing bad to say about it. It's a good blower. It's just like I was telling my boy, Whipple just started, evolving, and they started coming up with the better, more efficient blowers like the 3.0 and the 3.8. So there's really nothing bad to say about it, besides that, it's obviously runs a little bit harder. If you have a chiller, it should be cool. But obviously the belt setup changes as well. So with the 3.0 and the 3.8, it's more of like a stock blower setup, where you basically have the belt running off the lower end of the pulley. So there's, less chance of belt slip in that matter. Other than that, it's still a really good solid blower, honestly. Another thing that some people may not really like is that it's really big. So what happens is it covers up most of the engine bay. If you were to go ahead and get something done on the car real quick at the track, it's obviously going to be more time consuming trying to remove this top portion of it. So obviously with the 3.0 blower and the 3.8, it's more of like a stock blower setup, I guess you can say. So it's a lot easier to work around with, it's more efficient, and it makes smoother, better power overall. So like I said, doesn't mean it's a bad blower. It's just Whipple, they're coming out with better and more efficient blowers.
1096 without even adding in.
Without even adding
buddy. Holy shit.
So 1096 on that pull. 918 torque. We have our fuel pressure at perfect. 97 psi. I think we're like to answer your question, 96 psi. Perfect. Your fuel pressure is running perfectly fine.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah, so everything is, we're only using around 50% of injector, so we're perfect.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. And then you still have a lot of timing to add back in too, don't you? Wow.
Yeah, we don't want to let our people on YouTube know what we're putting in timing, but look at that.
I can't see.
Yeah, I'll bring it to you right here.
I gotta put my glasses on.
Put them on. Right.
Gotcha. All right, I see it.
Yep.
Yep.
Just because we don't want to let that secret sauce out. And they made a 1096 3.8 Whipple with the 375 pulley on top, 411 stroker, our aggressive cam in it. Yeah. So far everything's coming into play, man. So let me see. I'm trying to figure out what's my boost on this thing. My phone's acting. Sounds amazing.
Yeah, just shy of 1,300.
And that's that I've been, how many pulls already? Like
3 hard pulls?
Yeah.
Or 4? 3
like
or 4?
4, yeah. Just imagine once it cools down, it's 1,300 already. And the funny thing is, it's on the biggest pulley that we could put on it for right now. That's that copy and paste tune.
That's gonna be fun driving this though.
Oh yeah, this guy's gonna have a blast.